Welcome to Chit Chats Tutorials. If you are unable to get to one of our locations, third-party courier pickups is a great alternative to getting your packages to us. Navigate to the sidebar menu and click Third-party Courier Pickups. Then, click Schedule Courier Pickup. Chit Chats will use the address saved in your account as the pickup address. If you want to use a different address, click Edit Address and update the details. You can also enter short and simple instructions, such as your buzzer number, for the driver. Click Save. Proceed by selecting your pickup date. Same-day pickup is only available in select areas if scheduled before noon. Next, you'll enter the weight and size of your package. If you have multiple small packages, consolidate them into a larger box, which will help you save money. Click Save and refresh rates. The pickup summary will show you the total rate and estimated delivery date to the Chit Chats branch. Review the pickup details you've entered, and when you're ready, click Pay and print labels. The pickup fee will be deducted from your account, and you will receive a confirmation email. Now that your pickup is confirmed, print your pickup labels and attach them to your corresponding packages. To learn more, visit support.chitchats.com or contact our client support team directly at support@chitchats.com.